At Wisdom High School, career and technical education, or CTE, is more than just classroom work. Students here are getting the chance to explore real-world careers, including construction.
First thing that we get them certified in is core. It's basically just basic hand tools, power tools, and things like that. Then we move them on to carpentry. So with the carpentry, we want to teach them the steps of framing residential homes and all the codes and different things like that it takes to complete a home from the ground up. They learn how to learn blueprints, what to read, what all the legends, what it says on there. So so it's not only hands-on, it's also them doing bookwork also.
It's just good being here. It's something that I can do whenever I grow up. So it's like, I'm learning, I'm young. Whenever I grow up, I'm gonna have opportunity, whatever they need it.
And it's not just hammers and hard hats. Students here are building character too, by learning about teamwork, responsibility, and life skills that go beyond the job site.
Taking a course like this, troubleshooting, problem solving, because things don't always go the right way the first time. Not only that, communication skills, working with other people, working with people with different skills or languages and things like that, So we teach all those things about how to communicate, because that's key. If we can't communicate properly, then most likely we won't get the job done.
I'm just happy that I have the opportunity to be with Mr. Matthew, man. Mr. Matthew's a good teacher. It's like, he takes the time to tell us how to do the stuff, and he has patience. It's all about how he communicates with us, man. It's the people around here too. It's like, you're not gonna have trouble. If you need help, everybody's gonna help you around. We're like a family pretty much,